Okay, I'm gonna write this a little differently. I'm gonna write this 9x4, and I see the 4 in the end. I'm looking at these two terms. So it'd be 3 and a 2. That's 6 times 2 is 12. Now, I need a minus x squared there, so I need to take away 13. And again, the question students often ask is, why did you do that? Well, this is now a perfect square. It's going to be 3x squared plus 2, quantity squared, minus 13x squared equals 0. And now I'm going to factor it, difference of perfect squares. It's going to be 3x squared plus 2 minus the root of 13x, 3x squared plus 2 plus the root of 13x. That equals 0. Can we read it a little differently? You don't need to do that if you don't need to do that, but I like to do that just so I explicitly know what the a, the b, and the c. The a is a coefficient on a square term, the b is a coefficient on a linear term, and the c is a constant. Well, I get to use quadratic formula on both of them. So the first one's going to be x equals. Well, you're going to get 6 on the bottom. And by the way, the second one is also going to have a 6 on the bottom. Pretty simple. Then it's going to be the opposite of the b, so root 13, and that will be minus root 13. All right? Let's keep going. Plus or minus. There's going to be a nasty looking root over here. Plus or minus a nasty root over there. What's the root going to be? Well, they're going to be the same in both cases. So the b squared is going to be 13. I'll write this over here. Minus 4 times a times c. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times 2 is 24. What's that going to give me? Minus, let's see if I did that right. 4 times 3 is 12, 24. I'm getting it 11, minus 11. All right, I think I'm writing my answer down. X equals root 13 plus or minus I root 11 over 6. And the other one is x equals minus root 13 plus or minus I root 11 over 6. That's 4 separate solutions. Let's see how we did. Look at this one. And I see that here. And we'll look at this one over here. And by the way, all they did was they factored out a minus 1. Really doesn't change the problem at all. All right, same thing. All right, let me remind you again. My name is Ron Bannon. Email address, Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. And again, I'd love to hear from people that have comments about making the document better. I'd appreciate to hear from you. Thank you.